Hello everyone, it's Sunday the 26th of September. I've been to a car boot sale again this morning and didn't buy very much, but this is my haul. I got one of these slightly longer handled scrapers which I might or might not find useful, but I thought I'd better get hold of a long handled one. So that's about 20 inches altogether, I think. Also got more of these screwdrivers, red handled ones. These are flats, and a blue handled posi drive. I think that's a 0. The person that sold me all of these together with this also threw in this knife when I asked, and he gave me the lot for £1. This knife felt quite heavy, so I thought, even though it's really gummed up with, I think, tar from roofing felt, it'd be probably worth having to just play around with a clean up. A couple of rusty spare blades underneath. So, reasonably happy with that lot. One clamp kept by a chap who obviously cared about his tools. That was £1. One clamp kept by somebody who didn't care about their tools. This was also £1. It's slightly longer and very rusty. It was covered in cement up there. I've had a go on the wire wheel at this end, so it's coming up well. I've got this 4-inch Bucko wrench, adjustable, works well. Slightly rusty on condition, so I've cleaned that side so far. And the only other purchase was this set of Exolite bits. Having never seen Exolite before yesterday, and having bought this set yesterday which was missing a few bits, one seller had all of these in the bottom of his box, so I spent about 5 minutes rooting around trying to get them all, and those with this small screwdriver was £1. One of the most interesting bits was this extension bar, so you can double up your length. Anyway, that was my purchases for today. Thanks very much for watching. Please leave a comment. Scraper. It seems to me that the knife had been used to cut roofing felt or self-adhesive floor tiles, which left a gummy residue over the blade and some of the handle. In this clip, I'll attempt to remove the mess, give the knife a clean and tart it up a bit. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks a lot.